Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects many of us, insulin levels. If you're struggling to keep your insulin levels in check, you're in the right place. Stick around as we share some simple yet effective tips to help you maintain healthy insulin levels. First up, let's talk about diet. The foods we eat play a significant role in our insulin levels. To keep them stable, focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods and excessive sugar, as they can cause insulin spikes. Staying hydrated is key. Drinking plenty of water helps regulate blood sugar levels and can prevent insulin spikes. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, and consider incorporating herbal teas for added benefits. Now, let's get moving. Regular exercise is essential for managing insulin levels. Whether it's walking, jogging, yoga, or strength training, find activities you enjoy and make them a part of your routine. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Meal timing matters too. Try to space out your meals evenly throughout the day and avoid skipping meals. Eating smaller, balanced meals more frequently can help prevent insulin spikes and keep your energy levels steady. Lastly, stress management is crucial. High stress levels can lead to elevated insulin levels, so finding ways to relax and unwind is essential. Whether it's through meditation, deep breathing exercises, or hobbies you enjoy, make self-care a priority. And there you have it. By incorporating these simple tips into your lifestyle, you can take control of your insulin levels naturally. Remember, consistency is key, so start small and gradually build healthy habits over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthier life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.